Welcome, everyone. Today, we're exploring the amazing cell, the basic unit of life. Every living organism is made of cells, and inside each cell are tiny structures called organelles that work together like a miniature city. Let's discover how these incredible parts keep us alive. Cell basics. Cells are the smallest structural and functional units of life. They provide shape, support, and carry out all essential life processes, such as growth, reproduction, and responding to the environment. Without cells, life would not exist. There are 40 trillion cells in human body. Size of cell is measured in micrometers. Main parts of a cell. A cell has three major parts: the plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. The plasma membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. The cytoplasm fills the inside of the cell, and the nucleus acts as the control center. Plasma membrane. Think about a gatekeeper standing in front of a building. He protects it. Same way. The plasma membrane is made of a phospholipid bilayer and acts like a protective barrier around the cell. It is selectively permeable, meaning it carefully controls which substances can move in and out to maintain balance inside the cell. Cytoplasm and cytoskeleton. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like material inside the cell, where many chemical reactions occur. It also contains organelles. The cytoskeleton acts like the cell's framework, helping maintain shape, support, and movement. Nucleus. The nucleus is often called the brain of the cell because it controls cell activities. It contains DNA organized into chromosomes. Important thing to remember is that in humans, most body cells contain 46 chromosomes, arranged in 23 pairs. Ribosomes. Think about them as factories producing product called protein. Ribosomes are the protein factories of the cell. They read instructions from messenger RNA and link amino acids together to build proteins that the body needs for structure, growth, and repair. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is a network of membranes that helps produce and transport materials. Rough ER contains ribosomes and makes proteins, while smooth ER don't have ribosomes attached to it. It helps make lipids and detoxify harmful substances. Golgi apparatus. Think about them as post office. The Golgi apparatus receives proteins and other materials from the ER, modifies them, packages them into vesicles, and ships them to their final destinations, inside or outside the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they produce ATP, the cell's energy source, through cellular respiration. They use oxygen and nutrients to release usable energy for cell activities. Lysosomes. Think about them as garbage bags. Lysosomes are the recycling centers of the cell. They contain digestive enzymes that break down waste materials, damaged organelles, and harmful substances, helping keep the cell clean and healthy. Microvilli and cilia and flagella. Microvilli increase surface area to improve absorption, especially in the small intestine. Cilia are tiny hair-like structures that help move substances across the cell surface, such as mucus in the respiratory tract. And flagella has long, whip-like tail. Example, sperm cell. Centrosome and centrioles play an important role in cell division. They organize microtubules and help separate chromosomes so that new cells receive the correct genetic information. Their work will be discussed in other videos showing mitosis and meiosis. Animal cell diagram. This diagram shows the different organelles inside an animal cell and how they are arranged. Each structure has a specific function, and together they work as a highly organized system to keep the cell alive. Conclusion. Cells are incredibly complex and essential for life. Understanding their structures and functions helps us better understand how the human body grows, functions,